Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Stop by and take a look at the 2019 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, braking assist, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, 2.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.